Huma. I have received many requests for the Mediterranean herb chicken, and today I am going to show you guys how to make Mediterranean herb chicken. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for today's recipe. Okay, over here I have about 5 chicken legs, the thigh and the leg part with skin. Make sure that you are getting it with skin, and I have made about 3 cuts on the chicken legs to make sure that it cooks properly and get all the marinade inside. Okay, and then over here I have about a pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper corns, 1 teaspoon, or according to your taste, salt, about 10 to 9 cloves of whole garlic, 6 to 7 of frozen red chilies. Well, I'm using frozen. If you have fresh, you can use fresh ones. If you cannot find or you do not have this in hand, these red chilies, use any regular chilies, but make sure do not use Thai or very hot chilies. You can use serranos, about 4 to 5 of them. Some Marzano tomatoes. If you don't have these or you cannot find it, you can use cherry tomatoes or any tomatoes of your choice. Even Roma, just cut them in chunks. And about half a cup of chopped parsley, flat leaves parsley or Italian parsley. Half cup of freshly chopped dill. About 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. A little bit of olive oil, and yes, you need your blender. Okay, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you don't add a lot because we're using chicken with skin and it's gonna release a lot of fats on its own, and then it's gonna be too oily. And then add your garlic, about 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, all of your red pepper, black peppercorn, and go salt, cumin seeds, and pinch of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of nutmeg. Make sure, be careful when you're adding nutmeg because a little bit goes far away. That's it. Now I'm going to add this blended spices on the chicken. Well, if you can marinate it overnight or even few hours ahead of the time, it's a lot better. Well, I don't have time, so I have to do it right in front of you guys, so no marinating time for me. But you guys, if you want to marinate it ahead of time, it will taste even better. I washed the container with a little bit of water to make sure I got all of these spices. Okay, now this chicken is ready to cook, and let's go to the stove. I'm going to turn on my stove, and I am not going to add any oil at all because we already added about 2 tablespoons of oil in the marinade. I'm going to add these chicken legs, the skin side, this side down. I'm going to cook it from that side first. If you're using non-stick pan, it's even better. Marinade. Okay, now I'm going to cook this chicken on medium-low The flame shouldn't be very high, it should be on low. And I'm gonna close the lid. Okay, while this chicken is gonna cook, we're gonna work on our side of potatoes. So I'm going to show you what ingredients we need for that. Guys, as I mentioned, that I always serve this chicken with some parsley fried garlic potatoes, and it's up to you guys. If you want to go ahead and leave this side out, it's okay, but it's going to be very delicious if you serve it with this side. So I have chopped about 4 to 5 potatoes in little chunks like this, left in the water so it won't change its color. Okay, and about a little bit or half a cup of parsley, flat parsley chopped, or Italian parsley, same thing, and about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic chopped, half a teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes, optional, and some salt to taste, and some oil for frying the potatoes. Okay, I've turned on the stove already and leaving it medium high. I'm gonna add oil for frying the potatoes. I'm gonna wait until it becomes very hot. Just wanted to show you guys that, you see, I didn't added any extra oil after that, after adding the chicken, and I didn't add any water. So you see all the juices, the chicken leg, it releases the juices, so you don't need any extra water to cook it. So yes, we're gonna wait until all this water and moisture is gone. Okay, while our oil is becoming hot, I'm going to season the potatoes with a little bit of salt. I'm going to fry it in 2 different batches. I don't want to overcrowd the pot. Going to fry it on medium high until it becomes slightly, very light golden brown. Okay, over here I have reduced the oil and just left about 2 tablespoons of oil in this little pot. I'm going to add that chopped garlic and our chopped parsley. I'm going to fry it or saute it for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, after frying it for about 2 minutes, I'm adding this red chili flakes and the potatoes. Mix it well. That's it. Your parsley, garlic fried potatoes side dish is ready. Okay. Let's check on our chicken. Okay. I'm going to change the side. See, it's already browning from the other side. Okay, now we're going to brown it from the other side, and we also have to completely reduce or evaporate the juices. Chicken is almost done. Before I'm going to turn off the heat, I'm going to add these Marzano tomatoes. And the chopped dill. And the chopped flat leaf or Italian parsley. Going to flip the chicken to brown the other side of the chicken a little bit more. And now we're gonna let it simmer. Gonna lower the heat. Gonna simmer it for about maybe 7 to 8 minutes. If you have noticed that it has become too dry, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, until I am not getting the chicken out from the pan, which is simmering, I'm going to make a very quick tossed salad, which is also Mediterranean salad. 1 cup of diced or sliced cabbage, just like so. Half of cucumber, sliced like this. 1 tomatoes diced. Okay, I am going to make a little bit of vinaigrette over here, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. A little bit of salt, black pepper, and some dried mint, along some olive oil. This is optional. If you want to serve it without the salad, it's okay, but I like all these condiments and stuff with my Mediterranean lemon herb chicken. Okay, I'm going to whisk it like this and pour it all over these sauce. Alrighty, perfect. That's it. This is what we need. Okay, it is perfectly ready. Brown from both sides, and all the juices are pretty much gone. I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna dish it out. Alrighty, our chicken is ready. I've already put the potato sides along with chicken. Now I'm gonna add a bit of salad on the side. And a little bit of hummus. I've already made a video on how to make hummus, so for those people who are hummus lovers, you can go and check that video out. Gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the hummus, and you can sprinkle a little bit of paprika powder for color if you want. Optional. Alright guys, our lemon Mediterranean herb chicken is ready. I hope you guys like today's recipe and give it a try. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. I'll see you guys with another recipe. Do not forget to subscribe, and you can also find me on Facebook under the same name, Sugar and Spice Cook with Huma, and you can also follow me on Instagram under the same name, Sugar and Spice Cook with Huma. I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.